Hey guys, it's me and Lisa. Gonna do a burping video without Willow. She was supposed to be here, but me and her probably might do one together tomorrow. I might see her tomorrow. She was supposed to come today. I got grounded. Something that sucked. But, probably, I'm gonna do it, okay? Well, do not try that. My tummy not hurt. It's gonna come up. But in the meantime, how about you guys add me and Willow on MySpace? Mine will be up there, right there, and then my email will be right there, because if you're over 18, my email is right there. And just tell me if, like, just say that you're from YouTube, okay, so I know, because I might deny you, okay. And right there will be Willow's, since she's not here, but I still show hers right there. It's gonna be right there, and her email will be down there. I don't know if you need her email or not, but it'll be right there. Okay. And subscribe. Subscribe will be either right there or down there. I don't know. Also comment down there. Okay. And watch the other videos are on the side. Right there. Right there. Wait, I can feel it. It might come up. Well, that's not all I have. Don't forget to add me on MySpace, add Willow on MySpace, and also add us as a friend on YouTube. Well, it's my MySpace and my YouTube but it's kind of like join, something like that. And don't forget to comment just down there. And yeah, thanks. Bye.